Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and a clean connection. This prevents chasing phantom issues. Check both AirPods and case charge. If either is below 20%, charge for 15-20 minutes. Once done, make sure your source device Bluetooth is enabled. Forget the AirPods and repair to clear corrupted settings. While pairing, inspect each earpiece for wax or lint. Clean gently with a soft brush and a tiny amount of 70% isopropyl. These quick steps remove common hardware and pairing causes. Now you perform deeper fixes that resolve most persistent hearing issues. Reset the AirPods by holding the case button about 15 seconds until you see amber then white. This clears firmware glitches. Next, update your phone, tablet, or computer operating system and any firmware available for the AirPods. Outdated drivers cause dropouts. Also check accessibility settings. Audio balance and mono audio can hide sound. Finally, test playback across two apps and a second device to determine whether the problem is the AirPods or the source. Finish with targeted hardware diagnostics and one troubleshooting tip. Closely inspect the speaker meshes. Remove buildup using a dry anti-static brush or a wooden toothpick held at an angle, because force can damage the grill. If one side sounds weak, swap left and right in Bluetooth settings and check fit. Poor seal reduces bass and clarity. If you still hear problems after cleaning, resets, and updates, contact Apple support or an authorized service. Document your tests, as this speeds diagnostics and replacement if hardware is faulty.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.